Saturday, and it's muffin time. Gonna see how these Costco muffins are. Pretty damn good. Thank you, Twitch chat. What's up, Thomas? Jason, Happy New Year. How you doing? You're not gonna get one of these? I'll open it for you.
Don't remind me, Chris. What's going on, man?
Just hanging out. So a few weeks ago, Berto, Rocky, and I, we all like hung out, and we got ramen too. I think it was raining that day also, so it was like more rainy type ramen. But we exchanged Christmas gifts after, so I don't know. I thought I'd throw that footage in here. So that's what this is. Yeah. I got gifts. Dude, this is a nice wrapping job too.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Berto did it. All right, let's. Which one first? This one?
That one's from me.
Oh, okay. Whoa, I already see. I'm easy to shop for. What? Wait, what is an Ultra Ball? What? What is this? What is this? What? Collectible ceramic mugs. That's tight.
Morning coffee.
Yo, thanks, Berto.
Nope.
Alright. Package 2. Wait, are you supposed to untie it?
Mm-hmm. Just like shoelaces. There you go.
Yay! Yo, I used to like, if I had to tie my shoes, I'd cry.
I do bunny ears. I never did the other way.
Oh, really?
I don't understand what happens to the bunny when he goes into the hole and how he comes back out.
I just remember when I had to learn how to tie my shoes, it was the most stressful thing ever. What? What is this? No, a Z crystal. Oh no. Robert got me the Z crystal bracelet.
Oh no.
Is this the same thing?
Debated.
Debated? Oh no, it's Z crystals for my Z crystal bracelet. Oh, I've got all the Z crystals. Uh-oh. Yeah, he didn't get me these, so I mean, this is smart. How'd you know I had a... Oh, wait. Is that what this is?
Well.
I figured it out. Yeah, this is it. I got 2 Z rings now, boys.
Giveaway.
Yeah. That's cool. Yay. Thank you, Rocky. I was gonna get Rocky Overwatch, but someone else did.
Someone else got you my gift. Oh.
Debated.
I got these though.
So Rocky just left. We recorded some videos and I downloaded League of Legends. So maybe I might be doing some League of Legends videos in the future. Not too sure. But today was pretty cool. I just played video games and hung out. What a freaking awesome day. It's been raining all day. Flood warnings. So that's why I really actually haven't gone out other than for ramen. because rainy time ramen is the best.